Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big shutter button at the center. Let me draw your attention also to the right side to this button, so we can change speed here between 4, 8 and 32. And I want to show that in 32 we have access to kind of ultra slow motion video with option with motion detection. So let's move up. By just one tap here we can turn off and turn on motion detection in 32 speed. So let me show you that in 8 we don't have it, and also in 4 we don't have it. So let's stay now, for example, on this 32, turn on motion detection, and let me start recording to show you how it works. So for now the device should detect the motion when I start recording. And now it saves automatically in this option. To see my video, we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play it by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how slow motion video with motion detection and speed 32 looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.